Hello and welcome to Crafty Amigo's first tutorial. I'm going to go over the very basics with you using the PVC material. I'll make another video later going over the same basics using wood. When you first get here, you'll see this big plus. When you press this, that's when you start to see the big library of parts that we have. This is just what we started with. If you have any suggestions, if you'd like to have us add anything for you, let us know. Click here and let us know to add the part that you're looking for. We have a pretty complete library for PVC, so let's get started using that. You can add over here using the slider, you can edit the length, or you can use the numerical editor to be able to put in the number that you're looking for. So in this case, 22 inches. You can also use the centimeters, like most of the world. So then you can click the plus and then see all of the parts that are compatible with this connection, because that's where we press that plus. So you can click there and then you'll see in this case, these are all of the different outlets that are compatible with this 1-inch connection. So I'm going to click here. Keep in mind that you also have these nice little filters just in case you're interested in that. You can use, for example, here's one that reduces for you. And then keep in mind, you can always delete by clicking right here. And then you also have an undo right over here. Very handy. So now we're going to add another part. Let's try to make a very basic base with a few three-way outlets. So I'm going to press done here. Then I'm going to make them all 15 inches. I'm going to rotate it. Then I'm going to add another one. Then I'm going to add one more. Then I'm going to make it a little complicated. I'm going to go this way. Now you're going to see that we give you a little bit of an alignment tool right there. The little red line that tells you that you're aligned with this other PVC pipe that's right there. So you know when to stop. Then we're going to add another part again. I just want to show you that you also get a little alignment tool right here, which will tell you when you're aligned with the other connection, even though it's not a tube. Lastly, you hear this nice little satisfying click sound, which means that the parts have connected. Now you can click on the parts list and you'll see that you have 4 15-inch 1-inch PVC tubes that you want to cut, and then you need 4 1-inch 3-way outlets that you need to get. You can click here to be able to get the parts list and get it and print it, go to the hardware store. I'll show you in a second how you can load it also on your phone, or you can also buy it from us if you're in the States. You're in the United States, I should say. And then here, you'll be able to name it something. Let's call it Navi's Design. And then now you have this link that you can share with anybody. When another person goes to be able to use this design, they won't be able to make edit to yours. They'll be able to clone it and then make other edits. That will allow them to make their own changes on their own copy, not yours. But you can also use this URL, be able to load it on your phone and be able to see how that looks and be able to load up the parts list anytime that you want. Lastly, I just want to show you this. The camera controls that you have right here, we're going to make these much better as we go. So they give you much more room and much more flexibility in terms of the exact angles that you're looking for. But those are all the basics that you need to know. Let us know if you need to know anything else, and we'll gladly make another video for you.